Alright, who is the support unit I'm going to bring? Why not, bro? Let's bring Mr. Sexy.
Boardwalk breezy, half a day's summer.
Les Dodling, come on.
Pizza, lemonade, summer.
Alright, let's do it. Let's do it. Oh man, I haven't even touched Ether Gazer yet. I just got home. Like, I probably got my swigs maxed out. Like, I need to get this done, guys. Yeah, it's just Scotty right here.
I will not back down.
Come on, hurry up.
Can't you feel the cities crumbling away? Take them out fast. I only do what I need.
It's fine. As long as I can muster up the courage.
This is Jet. Stop! Boring. Sorry, forgot to hold that back. Can't you feel the cities crumbling away?
Yeah, sector right there.
Orders received.
Put a horn right here. Get mine already. Come on, come on. I do not want you to die, Minard. Like, yeah! Oh, we're just gonna have to do. We're just gonna have to make do.
Come, best me if you can.
Bro, that fucking boss is annoying, dude.
The Tempest must wipe out. Team, drop your weapon. Got a problem.
Fucking Texas. Come on, dude. Like, not letting me exit out.
Wipe out all that blocks the way.
Weird. Maybe because she's trapped. There we go. No, don't hit. Oh man. Telling you, that boss is like beyond annoying, dude.
Need speed.
Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Ooh. Ooh. That's what I'm talking about, Minor.
Fully prepared.
Almost got me. Woo! Clear it out, baby. Don't look back. Close it out. Close. This game's getting closed out. We done, boys. Let's go. All right. Overall, this event was pretty easy, man. Like, these next stages better be rough. I do know I used some 6 stars and they were broken. Yes, I understand that. But man, I want to be stuck on this stage for hours. Don't you guys want to be stuck on this stage for hours? Shit. Alright, till the next time, guys. Deuces.